Hi, my name is Ron LePage. I'm the president of Vereco Homes. Vereco exists to help Canadians build smart green homes. The objective of this video is to introduce you to our preliminary design services. The first step in building a new home is to carefully design the home to incorporate all of the features you want. This is especially true for a smart green home. At Vereco, we use a 6-step process to help you design your home. First, we gather information about your lot, your energy goals, and any ideas you might have about the home. Then we complete two-dimensional floor plans that include all of the features that you were looking for in your home. Next, we complete the elevations, which focuses on the appearance of the outside of your home. Our fourth step is to combine the floor plans and the elevations into a three-dimensional model of your home. This model is an excellent tool to help you really understand what your home is going to look like. Next, we do energy modeling. We use a product called Hot 2000 that was developed by NRCan, and it helps us to forecast the amount of energy your home will use. Finally, we complete detailed specifications that outline specifically what you want in your home and how your builders should build it. Let's take a look at our visioning first of all. In the visioning step, we gather information about your lot, your goals, and your vision for your home. We cover things like your time constraints, when do you need to get the house built by, how many people will be living in the home, how many are adults, how many are children. We gather information about your sustainability goals, the size of your lot, the orientation of your lot, ideas about the basic design of your home. How big do you want your home to be? What kinds of exterior and interior finish are you interested in? Do you want a garage? Should it be attached or detached? How big? How many rooms do you want? What types of rooms? Which floors do you want them on? What are your plans for heating and air conditioning? And then finally, we look at other special requirements, things like air conditioning, wheelchair accessibility, decks, fireplaces, and things like that. This leads us to the development of your two-dimensional floor plans. These will give us an idea of what you want, where do you want your stairs, how do you want the rooms to coexist. We will do a separate floor plan for each level of the house, and in this home there was 2 levels, so we had 2 plans. Once we have settled on the floor plan, we'll start to look at the elevations. And that will make decisions around roof style, where do you want covered decks, what do you want the house to look like in general from the exterior. When we've got the interior floor plans and the elevations sorted out, we can then develop our three-dimensional model. This model is an excellent tool for seeing what your house looks like from all sides. This is the front, the back, the right side, and the left side. We are able to geolocate this model so that we can tell what the sun will do when it's shining on your home. This home is located in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, and as you can see it, with the shading completely shelters the windows in the summer. This shot is June 21st at noon. This shot is October 21st at noon, the equinox. And finally, the shortest day of the year when the sun is lowest, we have the sun at December 21st. You can see that the sun is shining completely into the home on the 21st and was completely shaded on June 21st when we didn't want any heat. We can also see the inside of the house once we've got the model done. Here's a shot of the main entrance from the upstairs loft. Here's what the kitchen looks like from the living room. We can also take a look at the living room from the kitchen area. And this house happens to have a studio, and they were worried about how the windows would look, so we were able to give the client a view of that as well. This 3D tool is an excellent tool for you to understand how your house will come together and allows you to look at it in some detail. Once the house is done and we've agreed on the three-dimensional model, we'll start doing some energy modeling. This is to forecast how much energy your home will use, and we try to show the difference between using the house built as a Vereco home versus what would happen if you just built the house as a standard home. This also shows the comparison between natural gas for heating and space heating and hot water versus no natural gas available. As you can see, electricity is a little more efficient than natural gas. However, natural gas is much cheaper, so you can see in this diagram that the Vereco home running on natural gas uses about 1/4 of the energy that a standard home would use on using electricity for domestic hot water and space heating. Finally, we'll complete detailed specs that outline exactly what you want in the house, what's going to be done by the owner, what's to be done by the builder, and who is and specifying specifically what you want in terms of finish and things like that. That completes the work we do on a preliminary design for our clients. This entire service, including all 6 parts, the goals and visioning work, the 2-dimensional floor plans, the elevations, the 3D modeling, the energy modeling, and the detailed specifications are all included for $500 plus GST. If you'd like more information on Vereco's preliminary design services, please contact me at any time, Ron LePage. My email is ron@ronlepage.com, and my phone number is 306-261-4542. Thank you very much.